superficial wound on the right thigh.
Okay.
Blood analysis suggests it could be post-mortem. Probably a scratch that occurred when the body was being moved. The blood report indicates an advanced and long-lasting state of exhaustion. His face is covered with mud, like the other victims.
Okay, this is the victim, guys. Okay, we need to search for clue, guys. What is this? We are detectives now,
Harry
guys.
comment, sample of no interest. Comes from one of the policemen present on the wasteland.
Okay, we are here to collect some samples, guys. What is this? This is like some DNA, guys. Okay. No criminal record.
Unrelated to the investigation.
Okay, unrelated to the investigation, guys. So, we need to search more things. Okay, we got something here, guys. Okay, what is that?
Harry comment, sample of no interest. Comes from one of the policemen present on the wasteland.
Okay, these samples come from the policemen, guys. So we need to find others, guys. Oh shit. It might be some pollen, guys. Okay, what is this?
Orchid pollen. The concentration of pollen in the air is quickly decreasing because of the rain.
Guys,
It
we
gets
are
higher in the
investigating
direction of
a
the body.
crime scene right now. Okay. We need to solve this case as soon as possible, guys. Okay, let's have a look at the train, guys. Okay, the train is coming, guys. The train is coming, guys. Look at the train. Oh, we got something here, guys. What is that? It's a dead cat.
The FBI doesn't keep files on dead cats. Not yet.
Okay. Is there something else? Okay, what do we do now? Okay, we got some blood here, guys.
Harry comment, traces of blood on the railroad track. Analysis confirms it comes from the victim.
Okay, this blood came from the victim, guys. And we got some shoe mark here, guys. Footprints here.
Footprints continue just after the pollen trail. There's a good chance that they're the killers.
Okay. What is this? Okay.
Harry comment, there are traces of blood on the fence behind the railroad line. comes from the victim. The killer came this way with the body and probably
Oh,
grazed
okay.
it on his way through the fence.
Oh. We need to look for the killer, guys. We are searching for the killers. Oh my god, look at it. Oh. Okay, here we go, guys. This place is full of police, guys. Okay, because they are guarding a crime scene right now and we are investigating it. Here we go, guys. We are about to reach, guys. Oh, look at it. We're about to reach. Okay, guys, we are playing Heavy Rain right now. Don't forget to like and share the stream. Oh, we got some samples here, guys. Some footprints. This might be from the killers.
There's a good chance that they're the killers.
Okay. Look at it.
Harry, comment. Tire tracks on the side of the road behind the railroad line. It may be the killer's car. We have seen all there is to see.
I think this is it, guys. Oh, look at it. Oh, someone just poured water on me, guys. Okay, we need to go. We need to fall back. This is the inn, guys. Okay, we are going down right now, guys. Here we go, guys. We just investigated crime scene, guys. It's over, guys.
I'm heading back to the office. You staying?
No, I've seen enough. I'm leaving too.
Okay, we need to solve this case as soon as possible, guys. So we got so many clues, guys. I think it's over, guys. I think it's over. Okay guys, that's it for today. Bye bye everyone, see you later guys.